So when we're inside the workshop and we're working with our efforts to retain the customers, what should we be doing in that space?
So I'd say making sure that the people that are talking to and serving the customer, either on the phone or when they're coming into the workshop, those people have a good knowledge of servicing. Not so much what to do and how it's done, but why some of those parts are changed. There's new parts on cars that are going to come through that the universal understanding of oil and filter isn't going to be there anymore. There's a lot of complexity, and being able to just talk to about what is that part and why is that more expensive? If you can answer the question straight away without having to get a technician out from the back of the office, it's going to give a lot more credibility to the workshop.
So I guess further to that, we're also talking about the priority of things to be repaired and that person at the service desk understanding what is the priority items.
Yeah, and being able to explain just the basics. Why do I have to change my oil after 12 months, even though I've not driven my car? Because the oil breaks down. Why do I need to check my brake fluid every 2 years if the car's not been run? Because it contains water and it's less effective and it's a safety component of the car. Being able to just give a little bit of an insight into what that is will really help build out and develop that confidence with the customer when you're providing that quote. And another big tip would be quote the next service. Everybody's focused on here's the first service. When you're handing the keys back to the customer, quickly quote the next service. Let them know beforehand if it's going to be a big one.
Yeah.
There's the opportunity that you can take a little bit of that sticker shock away. They call up in 12 months. It was $300 last time. Why is it $1,000 this time? You've got the opportunity. You've just finished their car. They trust you. Hey, so you know, the next service is actually quite a big one. We're going to have to do this, this, and this.
Yeah.
When they call back, you talk to me about it. You explain that detail, and it's not new information that then shocks and scares me and then makes me want to go somewhere else.
You desensitize them.
Yeah, it's just taking that shock away, just taking the sharp edge of $1,000 instead of $300, that they know it's coming and they can prepare for it even.
And you don't have it the next time they show up at the desk going, how much is it going to be? Because they go, oh, Zach, hi, how are you? Here's the car. Major service they know.
Yep.
It's not a bad way of building rapport as well.
Yeah, correct. And you're showing that genuine care. We're not just doing this one time to get you out the door and see you later. It's we want to see you back in 12 months. Come to us, you can trust us, and here's the information.
That's the customer service bit, isn't it?
Absolutely.